Hello friends, merhaba arkadaşlar. In this lesson we are going to learn the simple present tense, negative and positive question sentences. We are going to start with the single syllable verbs, and after that we will continue with the exceptional verbs, and after that we are going to see the verbs which have more than one syllable. For single syllable verbs, simple present tense suffix is ar or er, and question suffix is m or mi. You can see on the chart. And on the right, you can see the personal pronouns and personal pronoun suffixes. Also, in some cases, we are going to need the buffer letter ye. Let's start with an example. Do I write? This is the positive question sentence I want. Write is yaz. First, I'm going to write a positive sentence. I write. I, ben, write, yaz, simple present tense suffix, ar. At this point, I'm going to leave a space and write question suffix m. And to the end, personal pronoun suffix As you see, the last letter of the question suffix is and the first letter of personal pronoun suffix is There are two vowels together. And according to Turkish grammar rules, two vowels cannot be together. I need the buffer letter between them. Yeah. Ben yazar mıyım? Do I write? Ben yazar mıyım? Let's make another one. Do you like? Like is sev in Turkish. Let's write you like first. You is sen. Like, sev. And now we are going to write the simple present tense suffix sever. Sen sever. Now we are going to leave a space and write the question suffix mi. And now to the end, we are going to write the person pronoun suffix sin. Sen sever misin? Do you like? Sen sever misin? Let's make another one. Does he run? Run is koş in Turkish. First of all, we are going to write the positive sentence, he run. He is o. Run, koş. Simple present tense suffix, koşar. He runs. O koşar. Now we are going to leave a space and write the question suffix m. There is no personal pronoun suffix for o, so the question sentence, the positive question sentence is o koşar mı? Does he run? O koşar mı? Let's make some plural ones. Do we drink? Drink is iç. Let's write we drink first. We, biz, drink, iç. Simple present tense suffix, içer. And now leave a space and write the question suffix, mi. And to the end, personal pronoun suffix, is. Again, two vowels are together. I need a buffer letter, ye, here. Biz içer miyiz? Do we drink? Biz içer miyiz? Let's make another one. Do you raise? Raise is sil in Turkish. So let's write you raise first. You, plural, siz. Raise, sil. Simple present tense suffix, siler. And leave a space, write the question suffix, mi. And to the end, personal pronoun suffix, siniz. Siz siler misiniz? Do you raise? Siz siler misiniz? Let's make one last example. Do they laugh? Laugh is gül in Turkish. Let's write they laugh first. They, onlar. Laugh, gül. Simple present tense suffix, güler. Okay, normally I need to leave a space and write the question suffix, but only for personal pronoun they, I'm going to write the personal pronoun suffix here. And after that, I'm going to write the question suffix. Do they laugh? Onlar gülerler mi? Let's continue with the exceptions. These exceptional verbs are very important because they are common verbs and we use them in daily speech a lot. Let's make some examples with them. But before we start the examples, as you see on the chart, this time simple present tense suffix is going to be ir, ur, or ür, and the question suffix is going to be m, mi, mu, or mü, which alternates according to four-way vowel harmony. Okay, let's start now. Do I stay? Stay is kal. Let's write I stay first. I, ben. stay, kal. Simple present tense suffix, kalır. As you see, it is not are, it is this time. All right, let's leave a space and write the question suffix. And to the end, all the time, personal pronoun suffix, Two vowels cannot be together. Let's add the buffer letter. Ben kalır mıyım? Do I stay? Ben kalır mıyım? Let's write another one. Do you know? Know is bil in Turkish. Let's write you know first. You, sen. Know, bil. And the simple present tense suffix, ir. Leave a space and write the question suffix. And to the end, all the time, personal pronoun suffix, sin. Sen bilir misin? Do you know? Sen bilir misin? Let's write another one. Does he find? Find is bul in Turkish. Let's write he find first. He, o, find, bul. Simple present tense suffix, bulur. He finds. Now let's write the question suffix, mu. There is no personal pronoun suffix for o, so the positive question sentence is o bulur mu? Does he find? O bulur mu? Let's make some plural ones. Do we see? See is gör in Turkish. Let's write we see first. We, biz. See, gör. Simple present tense suffix, görür. Now let's write the question suffix, mü, and the person suffix, person pronoun suffix to the end, üz. Two vowels cannot be together, so I need a buffer letter here. Ye, biz görür müyüz? Do we see? Biz görür müyüz? All right, another one. Do you buy? Buy is al in Turkish. Let's write you buy first. You plural, siz. Buy, al. Simple present tense suffix, alır. And the question suffix, mı. And the personal pronoun suffix to the end, sınız. Siz alır mısınız? Do you buy? Siz alır mısınız? And the last one. Do they die? Die is öl in Turkish. Let's write they die. They, onlar. Die, öl. Simple present tense suffix, ölür. Okay, again, only for the person pronoun they, we are going to write the person pronoun suffix right here, and then we are going to add the question suffix to the end. Onlar ölürler mi? Do they die? Onlar ölürler mi? Now let's see the verbs with more than one syllables. Again, simple present tense suffix is ir, ur, ür. Question suffix is mı, mi, mu, or mü, according to four-way vowel harmony. Let's start. Do I join? Join is katıl in Turkish. Katıl, two syllables. Let's write I join first. Ben, I, ben. Join, katıl. Simple present tense suffix, katılır. Question suffix, mı, and the person pronoun suffix to the end, As you see, there are two vowels, so I need a buffer letter between them. Ben katılır mıyım? Do I join? Ben katılır mıyım? Let's make another one. Do you work? Work is çalış in Turkish. Let's write you work first. You, sen. Work, çalış. Simple present tense suffix, çalışır. Leave a space and write the question suffix, mı, and the person pronoun suffix to the end. Sın. Sen çalışır mısın? Do you work? Sen çalışır mısın? Let's make another one. Does he think? Think is düşün in Turkish. Let's write he think first. He, o, think, düşün. And the simple present tense suffix, ür, o düşünür. He thinks. But I want to write does he think? So I need the question suffix to the end, mü. There is no person pronoun suffix for o, so the positive question sentence is o düşünür mü? Does he think? O düşünür mü? Let's write some plural ones. Do we sit? Sit is otur in Turkish. Let's write we sit first. We, biz, sit, otur. Simple present tense suffix, oturur. And the question suffix now, mu, the personal pronoun suffix to the end, uz. As you said, there are two vowels again. What do I need? A buffer letter between them. Yeah. Biz oturur muyuz? Do we sit? Biz oturur muyuz? Another one. Do you watch? Watch is izle in Turkish. Let's write you watch first. You plural, siz. Watch, izle. Simple present tense suffix, izler. As you see, the verb izle ends with a vowel. So I cannot continue with a vowel. So I'm going to write only re. İzler. Question suffix mi and to the end person pronoun suffix siniz. Siz izler misiniz? Do you watch? Siz izler misiniz? And the last example for plurals. Do they send? Send is gönder in Turkish. Let's write they send first. They, onlar. Send, gönder. Simple present tense suffix ir. Be careful for the person pronoun they. I need to write the person pronoun suffix right here after the simple present tense suffix, and to the end I'm going to write question suffix. Onlar gönderirler mi? Do they send? Onlar gönderirler mi? While writing simple present tense positive question sentences, we saw that the suffixes changed according to the verbs if the verb has one syllable, two syllables, or if the verb is an exceptional one. But while writing simple present tense negative question sentences, these suffixes on the chart are not going to change if the verb has one syllable, two syllables, or if the verb is an exceptional one. As you see on the chart, negative suffix is ma or me, simple present tense negative suffix is ze, and question suffix m or mi, which alternates according to two-way vowel harmony. Let's see some examples. Don't I write? Write is yaz in Turkish. Let's write I write first. I, ben, write, yaz, not write, yazma. Now I'm going to write the simple present tense negative suffix. I don't write, ben yazmaz. Now I'm going to add the question suffix, m, and to the end, person pronoun suffix, Two vowels cannot be together. I need a ye here, a buffer letter, and the sentence is ben yazmaz mıyım? Don't I write? Ben yazmaz mıyım? Let's write another one. Don't you open? Open is aç in Turkish. Let's write you don't open first. You, sen, aç, open, not open, açma, and don't open, you don't open, açmaz, the simple present tense negative suffix, and to the end, question suffix, and followed by personal pronoun suffix. Sen açmaz mısın? Don't you open? Sen açmaz mısın? Let's write one more example. Doesn't he speak? Speak is konuş in Turkish. Let's write he doesn't speak first. He, o, speak, konuş. Not speak, konuşma. He doesn't speak, konuşmaz. I need the question suffix now. Mı. O konuşmaz mı? There is no personal pronoun suffix for o. O konuşmaz mı? Doesn't he speak? O konuşmaz mı? Let's make some plural ones. Don't we see? See is gör. Let's write we don't see. We, biz, see, gör. Now let's make it not see, görme. Now let's write the simple present tense suffix, the negative one, görmez. Leave a space and write the question suffix, mi, and the person pronoun suffix to the end, is. Two vowels cannot be together. I need to write a buffer letter ye here. Biz görmez miyiz? Don't we see? Biz görmez miyiz? Let's make another example. Don't you like? Like is sev. Let's write you don't like first. You, plural, siz. Like, sev. Not like, sevme. And the simple present suffix ze, siz sevmez, you don't like. Let's add the question suffix now, mi, and the personal pronoun suffix to the end. Siz sevmez misiniz? Don't you like? Siz sevmez misiniz? And the last example. Don't they sleep? Sleep is uyu. Let's write they don't sleep. They, onlar. Sleep, uyu. Not sleep, uyuma. They don't sleep, uyumaz. Be careful for the personal pronoun they. We are going to add the personal pronoun suffix here. And after that we are going to add the question suffix mı. Onlar uyumazlar mı? Don't they sleep? Onlar uyumazlar mı? If you have any questions, please write them in the comment section. Hope to see you in our following lesson. For now, goodbye. Hoşça kalın.